The secret on how to become a billionaire. Becoming a billionaire is the dream of many, and it is not impossible to become one. However, it requires a lot of will, patience, and skills. You will need to burn midnight oil. You have to make sacrifices. You have to keep putting in the effort even if you don't feel like it. You will need to be obsessed with your success. The focus must be so intense that you see nothing but the goal. And still, even if you didn't get the desired result, you accept it happily and again put the same amount of effort and strong work ethics. A typical billionaire does 3 things in their journey to the fortune. First, attract opportunities. Second, invest. And third, nurture wealth. If you are ready to fulfill the above mentioned prerequisites, then we have some extremely helpful tips or ideas to make you the next billionaire. Let's get started. To learn how to be a billionaire, first, you have to learn how to attract opportunities. Preparation attracts luck in the forms of opportunities. People don't become billionaires by accident. In most cases, they have certain traits which make them a sort of magnet for opportunities. Here, we suggest some of the ways to be more receptive to such opportunities. First, invest in yourself by educating yourself. You don't get rich by chance. Study interest rates, tax brackets and dividends and everything needed on how to become a billionaire. Finance and entrepreneurship are 2 lucrative subjects to consider to become a billionaire in young age. Educate yourself in market research and how to find a gap and then create business strategies around it. Studying computer science and new technology and becoming an expert in them can land you a rewarding jobs. Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Larry Ellison are just a few examples of successful billionaires who you should know about. Save money to make money. You must first have money. Keep aside a certain amount of money every time you get the money and deposit them in a savings account to earn interest or invest in the future. Decide on how much of your income you want to set aside. Even $20 or $30 on each paycheck may add up over 3 or 4 years. Leverage on debt. Along with that, there are 2 types of debt, bad debt or good debt. A debt which is eating up on your earning is a bad debt, and it's difficult to move ahead when you have such debts hanging over your head. Credit card debt or any other loan can eat up a big chunk of your earnings. They should be paid off at the earliest, as the average yearly percentage rates range starts from 20% and goes up to 35%. A good debt is a debt that helps you to make even more money. Most of the rich people have good debt on them, and they leverage it optimally, and it is one of the biggest secrets that can make you a billionaire in 5 years or lesser if leveraged wisely. Make a long-term plan. Calculate how much money you will save over the next 5 years. Decide whether investing, starting a business, or letting money accumulate interest or returns is the best way to use money. Make money a priority. Make a list of your financial goals and review them on a regular basis. Write reminders and post them where you will see them every day, such as on the bathroom mirror or the dashboard of your car, to keep yourself motivated in financial projects. To learn how to be a billionaire, second, learn how to invest. No one has ever become a billionaire by just working himself or herself. But your money at work to work. Put your money at work to work for you diligently. Choose those places where you can bring maximum return on investments. Investment in right assets is what all billionaires do. Invest in yourself can't be missed in any How to Be a Billionaire guide. Invest in educating yourself by reading books, attending courses, or engage the right coaches or mentors. Invest in real estate is also a popular method to make money. Property may appreciate in value over time, resulting in a positive return on investment. Flipping, renting, or developing investments are all options. Make sure the monthly mortgage is manageable before investing in an artificially inflated market. To learn from cautionary stories, it is a good idea to learn about US subprime mortgage crisis of past. Put money into business. Starting a business is a good idea, but if you can't, you can invest in already running businesses. Zero in or choose a firm which can offer a service or product that you would purchase yourself. Then dedicate yourself and the resources to build on it. You need to learn about the industry to differentiate between good and bad company investments. To differentiate between worthy and unworthy company investments, learn about the industry. Investing in renewable energy and computer technology could be a beneficial long-term strategy as they are growing fast. Trade and invest in stocks and other instruments in global financial markets. One of the most popular ways of making money is to put it into the stock market. But before buying any stock, keep a close eye on the markets and which stocks are performing well. To make wise purchases, be well informed. Over time, most stocks increase in value, but not all. Start making a little investment each and every month and see your savings accumulating over a few years. Purchase some government bonds. Bonds are interest certificates issued by government organizations such as the Treasury. These are relatively safer investments and an excellent method to diversify your investments because government controls the printing presses and may print whatever money is required to cover your principal. To diversify your portfolio, speak with a reputable consultant or advisor about implementing a bond buying strategy. To learn how to become a billionaire. Thirdly, learn how to nurture your wealth. Nurturing your wealth means being careful about your financial decisions and places you are putting it in so that it doesn't get hurt and you end up losing it. Nurturing your wealth paves the way for you to be a billionaire. Hire good coaches, consultants, advisors, brokers, or mentors. No one can deny the importance of it as money is only as valuable as the advice given. Nobody wants to spend hours hunched in front of a computer watching stocks alter by fractions of a percentage after they have amassed a significant amount of wealth. You will want to have fun. You will want to have fun doing this. Reputable and expert financial advisors and brokers will maintain your accounts brimming with cash. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Money should not be kept in only a single place. To reduce risk, diversify your portfolio by investing in equities, real estate, mutual funds, bonds, and other options suggested by good advisors. And do your own due diligence and research. Even if a risky investment fails, you will still have a lot of money to invest in other things. Learn from a billionaire if you want to be one. Get along with the long-time wealthy people, get educated, and learn from those who have already done it. Nurture your passion for great investments, great businesses, and great things in life. Don't learn from those people who amass money quickly and spending lavishly and lose them all. Learn how to grow money and soar to new heights. Know the right time of exit. Though sometimes you may feel greedy about a stock whose price is going up, it is crucial to know when to exit an investment before it falls under you. If you have surrounded yourself with skilled people, Pay attention to their advice, but also trust your instincts. If you get an opportunity to sell high and make a profit, take advantage of it. Profit is profit. You have still generated money that you can reinvest elsewhere if the stock appreciates the following year. Take smart financial moves. The internet is abounded with get-rich-quick penny stock schemes, scams, and traps aimed at ignorant and innocent people. Do proper research and be careful while following people's advice. Hardly anyone becomes an overnight billionaire. If you are doubtful about a certain investment, it is better to be conservative with your investment. In the long run, diversifying money intelligently, allowing interest to accumulate over time, and riding volatile markets will be a good option. Be careful with the offers and things that look too good to be true, and never act in a haste. Always think analytically before acting. Being a billionaire is a long-term goal. Of course, it depends on your current financial status as well. If you are just starting your career, it will be wise to learn as much as possible about money and seek advice of those people who have already become one. How to Be a Billionaire guide can give you tips and ideas only, but it is you who have to face ground realities, losses, frustration, and disappointments, and develop a billionaire mindset to become a billionaire one day.